Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a task on the Journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to check your task and create another one, just go to the lower bar and click to the pencil icon, the third. Click that and you can check the Spire, the list and the monthly and or the weekly task. And if you want to create a new, just click to the plus icon at the lower right corner of the screen. And you can add the title, you can add stickers, you can set that, and you can add color, different info about the location, the URL and others. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.